this thing is a monster. This is the best backpack blower on the market right now. That tube right there, that 3.6-inch tube for leaf cleanups is awesome. If you guys get this blower, you won't be disappointed in spending that money on this blower. Just finished up here, started at our shortest point. All you do is follow that line in stripes of light and dark. Started out with our verts, ended up doing or finishing off with our diagonals to get our diamond pattern. And if you want to, check out bigleaflawns.com and get yourself a checkmate. All right, you can have your lawn looking just like this. It's cutting down that time. All right, so that's what landscapers love. We love cutting down time, producing good quality work, but at a fraction of our time. That allows us to get more yards done, get them done good and efficiently, and make more money. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here working on some equipment in the garage, some landscaping equipment. It's a rainy day out here, so for us landscaping guys, that's a good day also, even though it's not sunny outside. I myself don't work in the rain. When I see rain and I got a work day, I come out and work on my equipment, maintain it, keep up with the maintenance, and that's what we're going to do here today. But for me, I'm not a landscaper that does landscaping in the rain. I don't like tearing up people's yards. I don't like tearing up my account's yards with my commercial stuff, especially this Right Velke mower right here, this 48-inch, which is one of my main mowers that I use for my landscaping business. But I have 3 other sources of income, and I highly encourage you guys to not just have one source of income so you can do what I do. You don't have to work in the miserable weather. But for those guys, I'm not picking on you guys, but for those guys who have to be out there in the rain, it's because they literally have to. They only have one source of income, and if they're not out working, they don't make any money. I still make money in the rain, in the bad weather days, so I'm all right, which is why I do my maintenance on these rainy days here in Cleveland, Ohio. But getting to the Right Velke, we got an oil change day and a hydro change day. We got our engine oil right here, our Kawasaki SAE 30 engine oil right here. We got a new oil filter. We have the hydro fluid, and we also have a hydro filter as well. So the hydro filter is located right here on the Right Velkes, very easy to get to. All right, and then the oil filter is this black one here. Both of these are the original stock filters that came on this Right Velke when I bought it. This is only a 2-year-old machine. This is the first oil change that I'm doing this season for 2021. I've done 2 previous ones, but this is the first one for the 2021 season. So what that will entail again is these fluids right here and these oil filters. So I also have some other fluid as well in my little cabinet over here that I keep all my fluids in, but I have 2 SAE 30 bottles and 2 hydro bottles just in case I need both or a little bit more in either of the 2. I'm counting probably on using a little bit of that second bottle for that engine oil especially. But that's all you guys will need for this. Something else, an extra tip for my hydro people, something else that you guys will need is this right here, this tube. All this tube does is go on the end of this little knob here. It goes right there, just like that, on that little hose right there. And then all you do is you twist this knob right here. You twist that knob, and then the oil flows out and then down into your oil pan. So this is another extra tip. You will need an oil pan. You don't have to have an oil drain pan, but I highly encourage it. They're very easy to use, makes the job a lot easier. I'm all about making the jobs easier and getting back home to my lovely wife, and she likes it as well. So again, if you're a landscaper, you want to kill a little bit of time, but not too much time, because again, landscapers are fast moving, fast paced. Get more accounts done, get more jobs done, make more money. That is our motto. That's what we want to do. So make sure you got the right tools. My grandmother, my dad's mom always said to him, the job is taking too long, you probably have the wrong tools. So make sure you got the right tools. So I'll take that to the grave with me, always have the right tools. Got my right tools right here, and I will get this job done.